In this video we are going to learn about numbers in Python. So this is where we left in the last video, and about the PyCharm ID you'll get comfortable with it in the later videos or slowly while we'll be working with the different functions of Python. For now in this video we'll talk about numbers, but before talking about numbers let's learn about the printing statement a little more than this. So what I like you to do is go to the Python console section. You will get this at the bottom left of your IDE. Click it and wait, and you'll get the environment like this. So go here, and what we can do here is we can try different printing statements before writing the real code. So let's say you want to print before we have printed a string which is a collection of two words, hello and world. Let's say we want to print an integer. So what should we do? We'll just pass it between the curly braces of print function. So we'll get the output as 4. But let me tell you one thing: if you want to write anything that is a word or a character or a sentence, you need to write it in either a double quote or a single quote statement for getting it printed with the print statement, or else you'll get an error, because Python doesn't know whether you are writing a string or an integer. So if you want to write a string inside a print function, you must keep it between the inverted commas. Let's say you want to write a sentence, hey, how are you, and you want to print it. You can see it understands whatever you write between the single quote commas or double quote commas. So for just remember this much for the print statement right now, and we'll come to know something else, some more things about the print statement later on. But for now let's learn about the arithmetic operations in Python. So how does Python does arithmetic operations? So for addition, Python just uses the plus operator and gives the output. As normal as it is in mathematics, we use plus operator in Python as well for the addition purpose. Now for the subtraction, we use the dash operator to get the subtraction value. 7 minus 3, 4. And it's that simple in Python. Now for the multiplication purpose, instead of using a X symbol or something like that, we use asterisk, that is shift 8, and you get the value of multiplication. So these three things are pretty normal, but for the division purpose in Python there are two different sections. We'll learn about it. So if you use 7 divided by 2 and you use this symbol for the purpose of division, what you get is the exact value of the division, that is 3.5. But what if you want to get the remainder out of the division? So for that purpose you need to use the modulus operator, that is shift 5, and then when you divide you get the remainder as the output of the statement. So this is used to get the exact value of the division, and this is used to get the remainder of the division. Now there is one more way to get the quotient of the division value. What you will do, you will pass this value inside the int function. So what this int function does, as name indicates, it converts the division value into an integer. So as a result you will get the quotient as your output. So 7 divided by 2 when passed inside the int function, whenever you need to pass anything between in a function, you just keep it between these curly braces, between these parentheses, and so int parsing this 7 divided by 2 and you try it, you get the 3 as output. This is the quotient of this division. Now arithmetic operation has there is one more operation I would like to tell here before getting the next videos, that is how to get the power value of any the number. If you want to do 2 raised to 3 or something, so there are two ways in Python. So 2 into 2 into 2. So you can do this either to get 2 raised to 3 value and get 8, and there is another way of doing in Python, where if you want to multiply it some more time, like 2 raised to 10 or 2 raised to 20, what you can do is you can use 2 as the base value and then 2 asterisk symbol to suggest Python that now you're going to write the power value. So if you want to get the value of 2 raised to 10, so write 10 here. So this 2 is the base value, this 2 is the power value, and this double asterisk symbol just makes Python understand that you want to get the power value out of it. So let's click enter and you get the final value of 2 raised to 10, 1024. That's this much for arithmetic operation right now in Python, and later on we'll do something else with these operations. We'll use some built-in functions to play with them, but for now this much only. Thank you very much. Let's meet up in the next video.